Assalamu alaikum everyone. I just wanted to share another macro that I made, and I use this quite frequently with students of mine in Sunday school as a fun way to learn Arabic. So basically, what this is, once I'll put a link in the description to where you can download the file. But when you open the file, you may have a notification appear uh, that says that macros have been disabled, and you should click on the button that says enable content in order to be able to use the macros. So to start the game, you have to check play game, and then after that you simply guess the letters. I already know what the word is, so I'll just show you an example. But the word is guide us, right? And the Arabic is, of course, ihdina. So, so I'll show you real quick. Um, ihdina. All right. So then, just to show you, like, if I make mistakes. So if you make a mistake, you get different body parts, right? So you get two eyes, you get a mouth, um, an ear, uh, and then the little hairline, and then the body, um, and then a hand, another hand, and then a leg. And then if you don't get it, it'll ask you if you want to see the word. And so we'll just say yes, and it'll show you the rest of the word. If you can also do give me a hint. So with that, starting from the left, any blank space where you haven't guessed the letter, it'll show you that letter, one letter at a time. Each time you click give me a hint. So when you're done with the word, you just click on new word. So just to show you how I did it, um, I'll show you how you can add the words um, or how to modify it slightly. So to do that, I'm gonna uncheck play game just so I don't get any X's when I click on letters. But first, you're gonna have to go to the review ribbon and unprotect the sheet. And if you scroll over to the right, this is where the words are. So you would have to have the English on the left and the Arabic followed by an equal sign with no space, and then the Arabic. Now, one limitation is that the alif, if you notice, doesn't have any hamzas, right? So when your alif just has to be a straight alif with no hamza. So like alhamdu, alladina, etc. So you can go through, make your own words. If you're not happy with the translation, you can change it, and then it'll go from the list. So one thing to notice, just FYI, is that when words have been used, it'll say done next to it, and that's just for the macro to know that you've already done it. And once all of these have the word done next to it, um, the macro will tell you that you've done all the words, so that you don't have any repeat words. In FYI, an easy way to do the Arabic, if you don't have like a Arabic keyboard, is I go to yamli.com. I like it a lot. And then I go to editor, and then you type in English what it sounds like, what you want to type. So for instance, if I want to type ihdina, I would just, literally type what ihdina sounds like in English and then choose it from the list. And there you go. So that's the one way you can do it. Uh, so that's how you can get the Arabic. Another thing I want to mention real quick is that this doesn't really have to be used for Arabic. This could be used for any language. If you have a language with different characters, maybe your computer supports Chinese or something like that. You could just replace these top lines with the letters, or any other language. Basically, you could do it. Um, and it doesn't have to be separated. It's just I have Arabic on the top, English on the bottom, but basically wherever you click, it'll, you know, say it'll assume that that's what you're guessing that you want to put down here. So I'll put a link in the description where you can download the file, this file, and if you have any questions or any issues, let me know. So that's it, and I hope this was beneficial, and I really hope you guys have fun. Thank you.